morning children, how are you all? I hope you are safe at home. I am Gitanjali ma'am, your art and craft teacher, and today we will do Diwali craft. Children, do you know why we celebrate Diwali? Let's listen Diwali story.
A story related to this festival. Thousands of years ago, in the city of Ayodhya, there was a wise and good king named Dashrath who ruled along with his 3 queens and 4 princes. The eldest, Ram, and his beautiful wife Sita lived happily along with the other prince brothers and their wives. But one of King Dashrath's wives was jealous of Ram and demanded that he be exiled to the forest for 14 years so that her son Bharat be made king. Having once promised his wife to fulfill any wish of hers, the helpless king exiled Ram to the forest. And so, Ram set off on foot, accompanied by his loving wife Sita and loyal younger brother Lakshman. A few years into their exile, a demoness named Surpanakha saw Ram and fell for his looks. She asked Ram to marry her. Ram refused and asked her to go to Lakshman instead. But Lakshman also refused. Enraged, Surpanakha showed her true form, and Lakshman cut off her nose and ears. The demoness went wailing to her brother, who was none other than Ravan, the demon king of Lanka. Ravan was furious and swore revenge. With the help of another demon who took the form of a golden deer, he distracted Ram and Lakshman and kidnapped Sita from their hut. When Ram and Lakshman returned, Sita was missing. They realized that something bad had happened while they were gone and immediately rushed to find her. On their way, they came across an army of monkeys and bears that agreed to help them. Among them was a monkey named Hanuman, who had once vowed to be at Ram's service. Now, Hanuman was no ordinary monkey. He could fly over mountains, change size at will, and had superhuman strength. He had the power to leap across oceans in a single stride. So, obviously, he ended up being Ram's strongest ally. It was Hanuman who finally found Sita imprisoned in one of Ravan's beautiful gardens. Hanuman reassured Sita that Ram would be here soon to rescue her. He came back to Ram with Sita's whereabouts, and the army of monkeys, bears, and men marched to Lanka. Soon, a great battle started between the two mighty armies. And Ram's soldiers managed to kill all the demons except one, Ravan. The battle was now between Ram and Ravan. He gave Ravan one last chance to apologize and return Sita. Ravan instead rained down weapons on him. Ram too fought back relentlessly, but despite all his efforts, nothing seemed to kill Ravan. Finally, Ravan's brother Vibhishan told Ram that Ravan's weakest point was in his navel. Using an arrow given to him by the gods, Ram shot Ravan in the navel and killed him instantly. And so, Ram and his love Sita were finally reunited. Soon after, upon completion of their 14 years in exile, Ram, Sita and Lakshman returned home to find the entire city waiting for them. The streets were decorated with flowers and lamps, and there was happiness everywhere. And this is why every year on Diwali, you see the streets, homes and offices lit up with lamps, like the city of Ayodhya, in celebration of Ram and Sita's homecoming.
Children, we will make Toran craft, also known as Bandharwar, and lamp. You can make any one of your choice. We need strip any color, waste, lace, stapler, tape, thread, fevicol, flame cutout, 5 or 6, and origami sheet. First we will do fan folding. Then turn backward. Then fold it like this. Now we will put Fevicol and paste it. Now we will paste flame. Diyas are ready. Now put Fevicol, the waste lace, and paste the strip. Now put Fevicol and paste it like this. It's ready. Now paste thread both the side. To make lamp you need 2 sheets, any color, origami sheets, any cutout. I'm using flower cutout, you can use circle or any other cutout of your choice, strips, now fold like this around 2 centimeter, and you have to cut it till here like this. Ask mama to cut for you. Get it like this. Now take origami sheet, and you have to take one more origami sheet different color and smaller than this one, and paste it like this. Now we will fold it and paste it like this, and paste this cutout also. You can also use single sheet, paste it, and then any cutout. Now put Fevicol and paste it like this. Now turn this, and you have to fold it like this and paste it like this. Now you have to paste one strip here and one strip and paste it like this. you have to cover the whole circle. Now paste and strip like this so that you can hang this lamp. Wish you and your family a very happy and safe Diwali. Take care. Bye bye.